Hey, I'm the industry.
Hey yo, I'm the academia.
I'm all those businesses that tend on technology.
Whatever. And I'm all those universities, colleges, and vocational training.
I represent the small, medium, and large enterprises that either develop, deploy, or use IT solutions to drive Pakistan's entire economy.
I represent the 90 million youth who are in the education system and all those who you aren't capitalizing on.
Did you say 90 million?
We've got power in numbers and you don't know what to do with us.
We're always looking for fresh grads. How come we can't even find one?
Even if you're looking hard enough, you're not looking long enough or in the right places. You lose interest in even investing in us.
But we don't know who you are. Any?
Huh?
Wait a second, are we?
Saying the same thing? Yes, yes.
Campus Conversations. Bridging the gap. Log on to www.ciopakistan.com for more details.
I'm studying in the Preston University and the business student, and I would like to tell about the IT field, which is like very huge and tremendous field, and I was not expecting the IT is working in the vast horizon like I've observed over here. And in Pakistan, IT is growing very good manner, especially. Besides my business studies, I would like to have some kind of IT degree in that, like a MIS or probably in the system analyst. That's all.
My name is Abdul Haseeb Zahid and I'm a student of BBA final. It's a very good event, and this event is very helpful for the students, for everyone, not for the BA student as well as for business students. We learn a lot of things and we know about what's doing in the business world and how IT playing a vital role in the business. So I think IT playing a very vital role in every field nowadays, in business, in other side, information technology. So that's a very good event, and I hope these events are continuously happen in every university or in every, even the open seminars as well, in Expo. Last year a software expo was in Karachi, so I think in these expos these professional people are also there, and they also invite the students from various universities, especially from IT students as well as the business students. So it's a very good event. That's it.
My name is Hamid Hussain. I am student of BBA here in Preston University main campus, and my batch is 8. It's been BBA 8. First of all, I would like to thank all the panel, all the guests came here and gave us instructions and gave us information about different things. और सेकेंडली मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ पर हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा जो आज तक हमें शायद सीखने को नहीं मिला था। थ्रू इस सेमिनार हमें बहुत कुछ मिला, और जो गेस्ट आए हुए थे जिन्होंने हमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी, इनकी तो मैं जितनी तारीफ़ करूँ कम है कि इन लोगों ने इतना फ्रेंडली होके, हालांकि एक वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, एक HR मैनेजर है, इतने फ्रेंडली और इतने बॉटम लाइन पे आगे इन लोगों ने हमारे साथ इंट्रैक्शन की, जो कि हमारे लिए काफ़ी अनएक्सपेक्टेड थी कि इतने बॉटम लाइन पर आ जाएंगे। तो इन लोगों ने जो फ्रेंडली तरीके से हमारे साथ कोऑपरेशन किया, हमारे साथ सपोर्ट किया, इसके लिए मैं बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा। यहाँ तक KSC का मसला है, तो KSC का मसला ये है कि KSC सबसे पहले जो है कुंडा सिस्टम को ख़त्म करे तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत कुछ मिल सकता है। रोज़ बरोज़ वो बिल बढ़ाने से बेहतर होगा कि वो अपने कुंडा सिस्टम को ख़त्म करे। माई फ्यूचर प्लान इज़ टू बिकम अ मैनेजर इन इस्लामिक बैंकिंग, क्योंकि मैं शुरू से ही एक मतलब रिलीजियस पर्सन रहा हूँ, तो मैं चाहूँगा कि इस्लामिक बैंकिंग में जो इस वक्त ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री है और वेरी रैपिडली इट ग्रोज इन पाकिस्तान, तो इसका शेयर बढ़ता जा रहा है। इस वक्त कोई 6% जो है हमारी इस्लामिक बैंकिंग का आ रहा है, तो मैं भी चाहूँगा कि इस ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री में इंटर हो जाऊँ और कुछ करूँ जो मेरे कंट्री के लिए भी सपोर्ट हो और मेरे मज़हब के लिए भी, कि इस्लामिक इकनॉमिक सिस्टम जो है वर्ल्ड अगर चाहे तो फॉलो करके जो ट्रेडिशनल इकनॉमिक सिस्टम है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा इकनॉमिक सिस्टम हमें मज़हब में, हमारे मज़हब में दिया गया है, तो मैं इसीलिए इस्लामिक बैंकिंग की तरफ जाना चाहता हूँ।
दिस इज़ असद बिलाल एंड आई एम इन 3rd सेमेस्टर डूइंग BBA फ्रॉम हेयर, and just say that to join the professionals gathering to be a easily professional, and some thoughts about this seminar is to make your mind how to do in your future, and how to easy achieve your goals and targets, and how to make your vision, and last but not the least, just try to focus on your vision and try to achieve it. Thanks.